Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a PO box unboxing. I told you guys that I'm going to be filming these as they come in, as I check my PO box, as far as entries and anything that I have sent to my PO box. That's what we're going to be doing. I'm hoping to do it every Monday and Friday because that's when I plan to check my PO box. It kind of gives it a good time frame, because you have the weekend and then I pick up on Monday, and then you have throughout the week I pick up on Friday. So I feel like that's gonna work best. But let me show you guys what I picked up. I am so excited. My entries are starting to come in, and yeah, so let's get into it. I purchased this from Rhoda, and I'm gonna have her link down below. She has like a little crafty Instagram page where she sells a bunch of crafty goodies. She's super affordable. And I've been meaning to pick up this 12 by 12 crepe paper packet of Craft Market. It's an old collection from 2014. I do have the digital, but I wanted the 12 by 12. And I saw it, so I got it. And she sent me some super cute little freebies, some little bag toppers. So that was my first thing that I picked up from the P.O. box. And then, of course, I got an entry. And this entry is from Leticia Zavala. And I got her note, which is mine. And let me show you guys her embellishments. She sent over this super pretty rosette. How cute is that? She sent over this rosette. Super cute. This little page flag clip. And then the last one is another rosette right here. So those are her entries for my giveaway challenge. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about as far as giveaway challenge, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. I'm currently hosting an embellishment challenge where you have to send in some embellishments, and there's a bunch of good prizes. And you guys, that's another thing. I will be filming a video updating the prizes for the challenge because we have upped up the game. We got like 5 sponsors. We're gonna have prizes from Coco and Reno, prizes from Chandler Tools. One of you guys are gonna get the glue gun. There's digitals. All the information is gonna be in that video, so definitely stay tuned for that, because as the month goes by, I told you guys the prize pack is going to grow. I might even add a winner, so definitely stay tuned for that. The next entry is from Zuli, and she sent these beautiful little embellies, little rosette, another little page flag clip, and look at that little envelope. These are so fun, perfect for summer. I love them. Thank you so much, Zuli, for entering. And then another thing that I got in my P.O. box, as you guys know, I designed for paper cherries, so I received my kit for the month. And we get this cute little card. And what we got was clay sprinkles, party bows, beach ball sequence mix, bikini die cuts, and embroidery floss in blue and pink. I'll have the information down below so you guys can check it out. She sells these super cute little kits, and they come in these little bags. So we got the little embroidery floss. She makes cute little mixes. I love using her sequence mix. It's so cute. And then we got some bows and these cute little bikini die cuts. And then here's the little, what is it? Clay sprinkles. How cute are these? Let me see if it focuses. There you go. Those are cute. So that's my paper cherries kit that I got also in my P.O. box. And then I got another entry, and this is from, I think it's, I don't want to butcher her name. So if you see your entry in my video, please leave me a comment down below. I think it's Dominique, maybe Dominique. She's all the way in Montvale, Virginia. But she sent me tons of goodies, you guys. Look at this. So if you recognize your entry, please comment down below. I don't want to mess up your name. But look, you guys. Do you see this? Beautiful nail polish bottles. And they're shakers, you guys. I love this. And I think it's a die. Let me know if it's a die, girly, because this is so cute. I think it is a die. I think I saw Scrap Diva 29 show a video, and Tony as well. She sent me these beautiful rosettes. Look at the packaging. Look at that bag topper. Look at these rosettes, you guys. You guys are incredibly talented. Look at these bows. I love those, like kind of like plasticky ones. And look at the bag topper. She used the Shimmel Sparkle collection. Is it Sparkle Nights? I think it is. She made me some tags using the same collection. Look at that. I love this paper right here, that pink paper, that metallic. Where do you guys find such cool paper? So nice. I love the way she packaged everything. And she sent me these super layered rosettes. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much for entering, girly. And please comment down below so that I can get your name correctly, because I can't seem, I feel like I'm reading it. I think it's Dominique, D-M-K-I-K-E-A. I think that's what it is. And I don't want to butcher your name because I know that's not nice. And then the last entry is from Gina Valdez. And Gina sent some yummy goodies. Look at this pen, you guys. She put everything in this little tissue paper. Look how cute this pen is. And it's a squishy. So cute. It's a donut. I love it. Thank you. And this is her entry. She sent these super cute embellies in beautiful pastel colors. Little rosette flowers. How cute is that? And then she sent me, of course, a card, which I read. Thank you. And then she sent me some extra goodies. Thank you so much. She sent me this letter set. And I think I saw people hauling these from Dollar Tree, I think. I never found them in mine, so thank you so much for that, because now I have one. I want to find some vinyl in neon colors like this to make little pouches as well. I like this. This is super cute. And then she sent me this cute little notepad, and it says, "Do not underestimate yourself." Isn't that cute? Thank you so much for that, Gina, and thank you for entering my challenge. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that was in my P.O. box this time around. Stay tuned for more videos like this, hopefully on Friday, and of course stay tuned for other crafty videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.